Welcome back, guys. Long time no see. It's probably been 2 months at least. I'd say Carson and I have been busy, and from breaking my leg 3 months ago, it's just hasn't been right. Nothing's been working for us, but we're going out today. We're just doing we're gonna go on the river. Well, we're gonna short fish on the river and catch some carp, catfish, northern muskie. We're gonna have a couple of dead sticks out. We're gonna have a couple of dead sticks out, and then we're just gonna be casting some crankbaits, swim baits, whatever we want, really. So Carson will be with me soon, and hopefully we can catch something. Hopefully I can catch something for once. So I guess we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Thanks for viewing this. I don't know, it's been a long time, so we're gonna get back into the YouTube grind hopefully, and we're gonna see what happens. So enjoy. Well, guys, I just got to the spot. A fish just jumped. You can see the swirls out there. The mill is loud, so hopefully you can hear me. But one little thing is, pick up your trash when you go fishing, or when you go even outdoors doing anything. Just please pick up your trash, because especially like big stuff like this, it's a mess. So I'll have to clean that up or something, but just pick up your garbage, please. So anyways, we're out here. Well, I'm out here. Carson will be here soon. And got my rods. We're going to have a dead stick or two, and then we're just going to be throwing crankbaits and whatever else we want. So, see what we can do. Guys, we might have one already. God, this is a mess already. Lord, guys. Oh, there's one that just jumped. I don't know if you saw that, but that was interesting. Alright. Back to it. We probably had one, but I don't know. I gotta get back into the swing of things. It's ugly, guys. Water's high today. I think they fixed the dam in the Coosa, which is where I'm fishing. So we should get on them. They're moving. They're jumping. So hopefully we get something. Guys, I was just sitting down trying to decide what bait I should use. Oh my God, come on. Don't get caught up in there. I'm begging you, come on. Come on. Holy shit. I got a big one on, and I think he literally peeled so much drag out of my reel. And you know the log that's down over here?
Yeah.
I feel like he's caught up in that now.
Try to let it run out.
Okay.
That's your only hope.
Yeah. See you soon, though.
Alright.
See ya. Guys, this is exciting. I don't know. Like I was saying, I was trying to pick out a bait to use, and I was playing with my bag that I was using as a rod holder, and my rod fell, thinking I just knocked it down, and I picked it up, and there was a huge one on, and it just started peeling drag, and I don't know what it is. It ran, and now it's just like, it's not really fighting anymore. gonna guess it's a carp, but no, you never know out here, so that's exciting though. 2 fish. Woo! Oh my god. I won't say barely in her, but oh, it's all wrapped up. Come on, big guy. Holy cow. There's another beauty. There's another beauty. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it right there. There it is. Carson's gonna be here any second, so. Let's get it, guys. GoPro. Let's go. Ooh, I can't walk up, guys. Carson's here. Woo! Cars, how's it feel that I'm already beating you?
Did you get the other one in?
Yeah, I didn't release it already.
What?
I released it already.
Did you get a picture?
Yeah.
Solid. Was it as big as the other one?
I think it was a little smaller. It had a lot of battle scars.
Yeah.
So.
Sweet.
Carson's got a bunch of rods and the old glorious net that I needed.
Yep. Rod holders.
Rod holders. Cars.
Water.
I'm tired. I do have water, but it's almost empty, so nice. Cars, I'm tired.
Yep.
I'm out of shape.
We're gonna get a lot more. Cole and I caught I think we caught 5 carp, 2 sheephead, a catfish, and what else did I catch? White bass, 1 white bass. But yeah.
We're gonna catch a bunch more, so.
And then not big muskie, but that muskie I lost is on Instagram yesterday. Whatever day that was.
Hey, I gotta show you something though.
Yeah.
I have it on video, but I want to show you personally.
Okay.
It's down there.
Well,
all right, let's go.
Just do it. I gotta do it.
That's a huge ass spider in Wisconsin, and you know that doesn't happen a lot. Oh, that is nasty. All right. Well, I guess I gotta leave. Whatever. Leave the spot. Everything. Oh my God. Oh Jesus Christ. Do you see? Oh Jesus. Oh my God. All right. Goodbye. Got one.
It's a good fish, whatever it is, ladies and gents.
What has it been, 20 minutes, you think?
Probably. You want to get the net? I definitely got it in the mouth, I think, whatever it is. I think it's a muskie. Nope, I got it in the back. It is a carp, I think. Well, that sucks. It's not what I'm looking for. Might as well get it in the net, though.
Yeah.
What is that? That's not a common carp. That's a weird one.
Not recording anymore. That's a little one.
All right. Well, it looked like I had it in the mouth, whatever it was, but apparently not. Not what we're after, not what I'm trying to do. But that's weird. Comment down below on what kind of carp that is. I don't know if I've ever caught one like that.
Yeah, it is. It's small, so that's why.
Kind of weird.
But comment down below is whatever carp that is. I don't know.
I don't know. It's a weird one. Heck yeah.
Closer.
Thought I had it in the mouth. That one rocked that. Kyle, hit us with a little update.
Slow right now.
How slow?
We're doing great.
How slow is it?
We're having bites, but they're not biting it.
Right. This rod's had a lot of action. Kyle's is just there it is. Oh, I missed it again. I'm getting pissed off, people.
I think it's because you just suck at fishing.
That's what it is, yeah.
Hey guys, I'm beating Carson for once, by the way.
Not for long. I'm gonna catch 2 on the next cast.
Put that in your calendar. What's the date? 17th. September 17th. Kyle beats Carson.
Sure.
And his fish is tiny.
I hope we can get enough footage from this to make a video.
Yeah, well, my footage will be good enough, because, you know.
Yours is trash, fam. This is the Carson cam to Prestige Outdoorsman _101. Kyle's got another one on. He's beating me pretty bad tonight. I don't know what's going on.
Yep, 3-1.
I'm not nutting it. Is it?
I think it is.
There's a catfish. It's a big catfish.
Oh.
Not big, but it's pretty decent. Nice. Nice cat, dude. Well, guys, Kyle is beating me pretty bad. I think this is the first time this has ever happened. Ever before. On this channel.
Probably.
But the night is still young.
Where are my pliers?
I have pliers right here.
It's bleeding a little bit first.
Is it?
Yeah. Alright, you guys ready for the release?
Oh, I just got rocked. I got it. I got it.
Here you go for the release, big guys. Wait, I want a picture actually.
Dude, I got one. I don't know. I think it's like, I think it's a big sheephead.
Carson's got one.
What is that? That's another cat. Net.
Goodbye, cat.
Dude, why didn't you get a picture?
Good, fine.
Stupid. Could have left on short. Mine's bigger.
Oh my god.
Take your time. This is heavy line. Doubled up on the catfish, Kyle. That action took off pretty quick, huh? Decent catfish on. Kyle's over there messing around. What's new?
Hard, seriously?
Just because he's jealous I'm going to beat him. If I lose this, it counts.
Alright.
Here's the vision of it, everyone. Pretty decent cat.
What do they think?
Where's the bell?
Alright.
Where's the bell? Oh,
I don't know. Cut my line.
hold on. Okay, go ahead, go under it. Nice net job.
I think they're actually about the same size.
Yeah, I'd say. We could have had some good fillets.
Hey, I'm just gonna take a picture with yours. No, I'm serious. I'm serious.
Guys, do you hear this, man?
Hey!
Do you hear this,
Hey.
man?
I didn't want to have my catfish just sit on the
Oh
shore.
my god. Now
for
he's gonna
10
use me
minutes.
for pictures. Alright.
Oh my god. I had to come in line for you.
I see how that works.
Fine, take your own goddamn picture, asshole. Oh, spider shit. Oh!
Was there?
Yeah,
Big?
not big, but. Oh, well. Guys, I hope my GoPro caught that.
Mine was on. I'll get your picture really fast.
I wasn't recording.
This is how you multitask. When women tell you men can't. Oh, that was decent actually. Okay.
For the release, woo!
That's how you do it. And I got a big carp on or something. Maybe not huge, but it's pretty big.
For the release of my white bass, we're doubled up, by the way.
All right, there. Oh,
I wasn't recording, but we're doubled up. I caught a nice white bass, and I don't know what Carson's got.
I got a carp.
Big carp?
Yep, not huge. There you go. Just wait, just wait.
I can't tell what it is, but
You're fine. Guys, this is like, this is a lot of fun. Like, people shoot carp and that'd be fun too. But catching them this big, oh my God.
We're doubled up for the second time tonight, which is awesome.
Kyle, that's a big one.
Yeah. My first one was a big one too. What kind of line is it?
12. Yeah! Woo! That is a good carp. Don't fall in. Yeah. That's a good carp, boys and girls.
Shit.
Kyle, what do you think about that one, big boy?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Guys,
That's a good carp. That was a good carp. And this is how you release the carp. Whoop! Whoa!
that's how I didn't release my carp like that.
The Trent Wallenberg, Nakusa High School commit. Yeah, nobody make fun of me for trying to use a bobber either. I don't want to hear shit. No, I was talking to the fan base.
Yeah, honestly, it's not all about you.
Oh my God.
No,
Yep.
it's not.
No, it's there.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's that one right there, overhanging a little bit.
Oh yeah, now I see it. I thought that the shoreline stayed right here.
No. There's probably bait still in it. You should jump over there again. Tear your hamstring.
Let's see if we can find it. I'll see if I can find another good thread.
Call your rod, your rod, your rod. Yep, Trent just lost a nice one. Was that a carp or a catfish?
I don't know.
It looked like
I think it was
carp.
I think it was a catfish.
So here we go. Trent just got here and now he's already in the fish.
I don't
You'll get another one.
Hey, I landed 2 big carp by myself today without a net.
He calls me. When are you gonna be here? Probably 10 minutes.
I don't want to freaking.
Well, I got one stuck in the tree and I don't know what to do.
Hey,
I'm like,
literally.
let it run out.
I'll be able to stuck in the tree.
Hold on. So
It swam under that log.
Oh, it's over here. Like I have a bag over here, and the rest, my rod was rested on my bag, and it falls over, and I was like, interesting. So I pick it up, and the carp just like runs like 10 feet past the tree and
The stick.
Yeah.
Branch that popped
And I was
over.
like, oh my god, here it is. It's gonna just get caught up, and then I'm gonna.
And then he calls me again. Dude, when are you gonna be here? Like 5 minutes. He goes, I'll just wait for you to get here then.
Yeah.
As the carp's on.
Hey, no. He said 5 minutes, and then like 25 minutes later.
Trent, what do you gotta say?
Lost another fish.
Kyle, we need a light.
Another day, another lost fish.
Kyle, we need a light. Trent, words of wisdom for a young fisherman.
When you fish, get them set and don't lose them. I do that a lot.
That is where it's at right there.
I know.
Kyle should take hints on that.
Yeah, I don't know how to fish. I'm lucky.
Yeah. Good thing it's really bright so you can see Trent. Okay.
Recording, talk.
Thanks for watching another.
Did you do that?
No. Thanks for watching another one. We might have one more to show you guys, but if not, we appreciate it. Trent's here, the main man, full ride scholarship, Mid-State University. This ride's going off. God, it's going wild right now. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.